Hello everyone, let us start drafting Indian Camels. So here we are doing for standard size 10 on round sheets. So let us start drafting back draft. First of all, draw one perpendicular line using your L scale and label the corner as 0. And extend the vertical line down by aligning half of this line with your L scale. Now, step number 1 is 0 to 1 downward direction is kameez length, which is 85 centimeters per standard size 10. So, using your measuring tape, measure from 0 85 centimeters down using measuring tape, and then label the end point as point number 1. Step number 2, 0 to 2 outward direction is half of shoulder measurement, that is 34 centimeters for standard size 10. So 34 by 2, 17 centimeters. So 0 to 2 towards your right hand direction, measure 17 centimeters and label point number 2. Now 0 to 3 down is to indicate your bust line. This is to get the arm side level. So for this, again we have a standard formula, which is 1/6 of bust round plus 1 centimeter extra per is bust round for standard size 10 is 84 centimeters. So 84 by 6 plus 1 centimeter, that is 15 centimeters. So 0 to 3 down, measure 15 centimeters and label point number 3. Now from point number 3, square across. That means draw perpendicular line from point number 3. Perpendicular dotted line. Now along this line you are supposed to measure 1/4 of bust round, as this particular line represents bust line. So 3 to 4 outward direction, 1/4 of bust round plus 2.5 centimeters extra for ease. So 84 by 4 plus 2.5, which is 23.5 centimeters. So from point number 3, measure 23.5 centimeters towards outward direction and label point number 4. Now from point number 2, square down. Draw a perpendicular dotted line from point number 2, and wherever these two lines are intersecting, label point number 5. Now next step is 0 to 6 downward direction is waist length, which is 38 centimeters for standard size 10. So from point number 0, measure 38 centimeters down and label point number 6. From point number 6, again square across with a dotted line. Align your L scale line and then square across from point number 6 with a dotted line. And then here, this particular dotted line represents waistline. Along this line, measure 1/4 of waist round plus 1.5 centimeters extra for ease. That is 68 by 4 plus 1.5, that which becomes 18.5. So from point number 6, measure 18.5 centimeters out and then label point number 7. Now join 4 and 7 with a straight line using scale. Now next step is 6 to 8 downward direction is waist to hip length, that is 20 centimeters per standard size 10. So from point number 6, measure 20 centimeters down and label point number 8. From point number 8, square across again with a dotted line. Align your L scale line, square across, and this particular line represents hip line. Along this line, measure 1/4 of hip round plus 1.5 centimeter extra for ease. That is, for standard size 10, hip round is 90 centimeters. That which becomes 23.5 centimeters for standard size 10. So measure 8 to 9 outward direction, 25 centimeters for standard size 10. So measure 25 centimeters from point number 8 and label point number 9 or now. From point number 1, square across. From point number 9, square down. Draw perpendicular lines from point number 9 join 7 and 9 with a smooth curve for waist to hip curve using your hip curve. So place your hip curve in this position and then join 7 and 9 with a smooth curve like this. Now next step is 9 to 9A upward direction along waist to hip curve, measure 5 centimeters. This is 9A. And then join 9A and 10 with a straight line. 9A is going to be your slits point. This is the point from where the slits are going to be started. So now that's why you are joining your slits point to your hemline point. So this is going to be your straight cut kurti. Now let us shape the neckline and shoulder and armhole. Now next step is 0 to 11 outward direction. It is going to indicate the neck width, for which we have a standard formula, that is 1/12 of bust round plus 1 centimeter. So for standard size 10 it is 84/12 plus 1 centimeter, which becomes 8 centimeters. So from point number 0 measure 8 centimeters towards your right hand direction and here label point number 11. This is front back neck width. And now 0 to 12 downward direction is back neck depth. So from point number 0 measure 8 centimeters down, that is back neck depth for standard size 10 and label point number 12. Now square down from 11 and square across from 12 with dotted lines. And then join. So using French curve, join neckline curve of back like this. So this is your back neckline. Now next step is 2 to 13 down 1 centimeter. This is for shoulder slope. Here label 13 and then join 11 and 13 with a straight line for shoulder. Now next step is 14 is the mid of 5 and 13. So measure 5 and 13, which is 14 centimeters. So at 7 centimeters you will get the midpoint and label point number 14 here. And from point number 5 draw one diagonal dotted line and measure 2.5 centimeters along this diagonal dotted line and label point number x. 5 to x diagonally up towards your right is 2.5 centimeters. Now join 13 and 14 with a straight line and using your French curve join 14x and 4 with a smooth curve like this. So this is going to be your back armhole curve. Now let us see, this is going to be the straight cut kurti back draft. So in this draft I am going to show A-line kurti back draft also. So for A-line kurti, what are we supposed to do is we have to simply extend the flare of the hemline. So further what you need to do, extend 1 to 10 line, label it out. And along this line measure 10 to 15 outward direction 5 centimeters. This can be your depends upon the desired amount of flare. Here for standard size 10 I am taking 5 centimeters. So 10 to 15 out 5 centimeters and then join 15 and 9A with a straight line using L scale. And now 15 to 15A upward direction is 2.5 centimeters. This we are going to take to shape the hemline. 15A this is. And then using hip curve, place it like this and join 15A. From point number 15A, we need to draw a smooth curve that which blends into 1 to 10 line. This is to shape the hemline. So if you consider 1 to 15A and 9A, this is going to be A-line kurti. And if you consider 9A, 10 and 1, this is going to be your straight cut kurti. Now let us give the pattern information. Here 12 to 1 line represents on fold symbol. This side we need to fold the fabric and this line represents center back line. Grain line given here is straight grain line. Name of the garment, Indian kameez. This is for standard size 10. Number of pieces to be cut, 1 piece. Cutting points for back draft of straight cut kurti: 12, 11, 13, 14, X, 4, 7, 9A, 10, 1. And 12 to 1 is going to be on fold. This is for straight cut kurti. If at all you are going with A line, then cutting points are 12, 11, 13, 14, X, 4, 7, 9A, 15A, 1. And 12 to 1 is going to be on fold.